Welcome to my virtual presentation. My name is Dr. Kibet from the Center for Open Distance and E-Learning, Machakos University. This video is meant for early childhood students who are doing psychology course, educational psychology. It's also good for university professors and lecturers and guidance and counseling experts. The topic of my presentation today is project method of teaching. The project method is a teacher-facilitated collaborative approach in which students acquire and apply knowledge and skills to define and solve realistic problems using a process of extended inquiry. Projects are student-centered, following standards, parameters, and milestones clearly identified by the instructor. The project method is an educational enterprise in which children solve practical problems over a period of several days or weeks. It may involve building a rocket, designing a playground, publishing a class newspaper, among others. The projects may be suggested by the teacher, but they are planned and executed as far as possible by the students themselves, individually or in groups. Project work focuses on applying, not imparting, specific knowledge or skills, and on improving students' involvement and motivation in order to foster independent thinking, self-confidence, and social responsibility. What are the types of project method of teaching? According to Kilpatrick, a project is a wholehearted, purposeful activity proceeding in a social environment. Kilpatrick has classified the project methods into 4 types. 1, constructive. This is when learners have to construct some things related to social life. For example, charts, models, maps, puzzles, etc., etc. Number 2, artistic. These projects are generally allotted in the aesthetic fields of life. For example, in music, drawing, painting, art, and culture. Number 3, problem solving. These projects are given to solve the problems related to any life situation or related to any project. For example, how to operate a bank account or how to send an email or a letter. And lastly, group work. This is where a team of students is assigned a work to be performed. For example, to develop a garden in the school. Now, I want us to look at the advantages and disadvantages of using project method of teaching. First, advantages. 1, it helps in developing social norms and social values among the learners. Number 2, it provides invaluable opportunities for correlation of various elements of the subject matter and for the transfer of training or learning. Number 3, it helps in growing knowledge very effectively as a result of their close cooperation on social participation in the spirit of democracy. Disadvantages. 1, the project cannot be planned for all subjects, and a whole subject matter cannot be taught by this teaching strategy. Number 2, it is not economical from the point of view of time and costs. And lastly, it is very difficult for a teacher to plan or to execute the projects to the learners and supervise them. That marks the end of my presentation today, where we've been looking at the project method of teaching. If you like my video, kindly subscribe, like, and even share. Thank you.